Checking in for your American Airlines flight is easier than ever. You have several convenient options, so let's explore them. First, you can check in online via the American Airlines website or the American Airlines mobile app. Online check-in typically opens 24 hours before your flight's departure and closes a short time before. To do this, go to AA, come or open the app, and enter your last name and your record, locator or confirmation number. You'll then follow the prompts to confirm your flight details. Choose or change your seat and get your boarding pass. You can save the boarding pass to your mobile device or print it. Another option is to check in at the airport. You can use a self-service kiosk or go to the check-in counter. If you have bags to check, the kiosks can print bag tags. If you prefer to speak with someone, agents are available at the check-in counters to assist you. Arrive at the airport with plenty of time, especially if you need to check bags. Finally, you can check in via phone. You can call American Airlines customer service to check in for your flight. However, be aware that you might encounter hold times during peak travel periods. Remember to have your confirmation number or record locator ready, along with a valid form of identification. Whether you choose to check in online, at the airport, or by phone, these methods ensure a smooth start to your journey with American Airlines. For faster support and important updates, please add our customer service number 1-855-547-0830 to your contacts today.